Hello viewers, do you know about Ali Khamenei? If you don't know, I Abhijit sir, I will share some information regarding Ali Khamenei. Ali Hussein Khamenei was an Iranian cleric and politician who served as the supreme leader of Iran from 1989 until his assassination by US and Israeli forces in 2026. Khamenei previously served as the president of Iran from 1981 to 1989. In his tenure as the supreme leader, spanning 36 years and 6 months, made him the longest serving head of state in the Middle East at the time of his death and the longest serving Iranian leader since Shah Mohammad Reza Pahlavi.